Now get the lowdown on the latest episode from the cast in this Degrassi Extra Credit.
With the loss of Adam, Drew's definitely confused, and I think at this point he's starting to have a little bit of built-up anger, and he starts blaming other people.
Drew blames Becky for Adam's death at the beginning because he felt very guilty because he believed that he was a bad example for Adam.
He died chasing a girl, which is something that Adam learned that kind of thing from his older brother. So if he could have just changed in that sense and taught him, you know, how to react in different scenarios, maybe he would still be here. Adam was such a lively person and meant so much to so many people, and to Drew as well, that to his memory, Drew kind of had to go and show respects to his brother.
I think when she did the bonfire, that helped her a lot because she really felt that he was there, and she got to say things she didn't get to say, because the last thing she wanted was to end it on a bad note.
For more Degrassi Extra Credit, go to teennick.com/Degrassi.